Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to study the nationalities in Spanish. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So nationalities is called nacionalidades. Nacionalidades in Spanish. So alemán, alemana is for German. So you're going to see the picture of the boy and the picture of the girl. This means the boy part is the masculino part and the girl part is the femenino part, so masculine and feminine. So here we have Argentina, argentino, Argentina, Brazil, brasileño, brasileña, Chile, chileno, chilena, China, chino, china, Colombia, colombiano, colombiana, Cuba, cubano, cubana, Egypt, egipcio, egipcia, España, español, española, United States, estadounidense, estadounidense. This one goes the same for males and females. We say estadounidense. France, francés, francesa. United Kingdom, inglés, inglesa. Italy, italiano, italiana. Japan, japonés, japonesa. Lebanon, libanés, libanesa. Mexico, mexicano, mexicana. Portugal, portugués, portuguesa. Russia, ruso, rusa. Switzerland, suizo, suiza. Turkey, turco, turca. Venezuela, venezolano, venezolana. So now that we've seen a couple of nationalities in Spanish, comment down below what's your nationality, and if we didn't mention your nationality in this video, comment it down below and we'll tell you what your nationality is in Spanish. Now we have a series of activities that you can do to practice what you've just learned. So go ahead and do the activities, and you have the correction too, so we can make sure that everything is going well. If you have to watch the video one more time to practice one more time, you go ahead and do it. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in our next video. Adios.